it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I have another unboxing of another case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue, or Specific Blue as I typically call it. I like girly cases, feminine cases, blingy cases, glittery cases. I like cases. So I change cases a lot, right? I saw something on Amazon and I felt that I had to have it because it complements the Pacific Blue color. Shout out to the fellas, all the Grogu's, baby Yodas, the childs, whatever you want to call them, whatever makes you feel good, whatever helps you sleep better at night. I call them whatever comes to mind at the time. I always welcome the company that the guys bring. This is a prime purchase. My first time laying eyes on it. See, I haven't even turned it around yet. Is he Baisrke? I'm gonna leave that E salad. Okay, so either way, let's get to the case. As you can see, the case has a teal look to it, and based on the lighting of it now, the iPhone looks kind of bluish grayish, and that's just, I mean, depending on what light. See, it looks gold there. It looks a little bluer there. None of them really look true to light to me. I'm gonna leave the lighting there. Gotta rip this at the top, I think. Y'all just had to make my life hard. I don't have an unboxing knife on me right now. Oh, it ripped. Okay. I'm not weak as I thought I was. Hey, good for me. Shout out to not being weak. Oh, it comes with a pop socket, a pair of lips. Pop socket. No, I really can't stand pop sockets, y'all. But yeah. Let's get in here. Trying to pull the bag out of the bag. And there you have it. Look at here. It's glittery, but it's tealish blue, just like the phone. There's no protective covering inside, but outside there's a little tab right here we're gonna pull off. That's just so it doesn't get scratched up on the way here. So here is my Spigen clear glitter case, and it's got silvery glitter in it, and this one has silvery glitter as well. I think either one of these will be fine, but see, when I put this one on, it gives my phone more of a grayish look, which is why I thought this was the perfect case for this phone, at least this color. We got one of the other colors, I can't really tell you if it's gonna work well for you, but this Pacific Blue, it kind of just pops. It looks great, right? Isn't that sexy? I can still see the Apple symbol there. Everything's great. Shout out to all my subs. Appreciate y'all. But yeah, this is how we rolling. We got our switch here on the side. Volume up and down is working fine. Wait a minute. Oh, it's all the way down. Volume up and down work fine. Cutouts are great. We've got our charging ports wide open. Power button works fine as well. As most of us know, there's nothing on the top of this phone. Cutouts for the camera are awesome. And look at that lip for that camera. That's nice. A nice lip around the camera, some protection, because these bad boys really do stand up. But yeah, that's awesome. As far as the inside, there's a slight lip around the inside, the slightest of slight lips. It's not as big as the one for the camera in the back. Shout out to this company for making this case. Man, this is beautiful. This will be my go-to when I want something really, really feminine, right? Look how it reflects off the reflection back there. See how the fellas like it. Now y'all like that case? Is that attractive? Is that sexy? Is that glittery? Does that make that Pacific blue pop? Thank you for your purchase. We strive to offer you the very best value and customer service. Are you completely happy with the product? No, I have product issues. Please give us a chance to correct these issues. Yes, I am happy. You know, they give you both scenarios. And they want you to write them a 5-star review on Amazon and take the time to review your purchase. That helps out these smaller companies. And again, at the time of making this video, this is a $13 case. So a $13 case looks just as protective, if not more protective, as the Spigen, because it looks a little bit thicker. Of course, they're the same size, but thickness-wise, let me take that off and see. Thickness-wise, I feel like this is a bit thicker, people. You probably can't really tell. I can feel the thickness. Like, okay. Little pressure and it's not really moving. Little pressure and it's gone here. So there you have it. Like, it depends on how firm you want your case. So there's very little give here. I like it. I'm rocking this tomorrow on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I thank y'all for stopping by for this quick case video. And I hope you have an awesome, wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll catch you on the next video.